we are at Course, Bonus, good friend of mine's, who's going to bring the RWD. In fact, we actually need a nickname for it because we don't know what to call it. Beast, bit predictable, rear wheel drive, 911, bit long winded, so let us know in the comments. Failing that, let's get it off the truck. Getting in was one thing, getting out is a completely different challenge. This is going to end badly. Trying to get out.
Is it this bit? So you went into the window.
I did go in through the window, but getting back out through the same window is not just as easy.
There you go, you're released.
You know how when you buy a GT3 RS, you get the wee nylon straps?
That's all you need.
That's lightweight, that's none of this.
That's all you need. I think you could have been maybe a bit shorter. It could have maybe just been that size. Get your pinky through it, you know.
It's all about the weight reduction, bro. It'd be good to at least get it up that road and see if there's any boost.
What?
Just to make sure that I-cheers aren't seized.
Huh?
No? That's not possible. Come on. I know it's got slicks and there's no MOT or tax, but
what about the fucking doors?
Well, take doors off.
What you fucking metal?
That's what the straps to the harnesses are for.
Tell him to calm down.
Alright, okay. Well, don't ask me what I want to do. Obviously I just want to drive it. So.
I've got a rain man.
Okay, we'll save that for episode 3.
I know, it's maybe not the day for a drive in it. But
right. Okay. Okay, can we just put it on the app then?
Of course.
Right. Engine oil.
Antifreeze.
I said we're just about to stick it there and see where all the smoke's coming from for a start.
That's clean underside, isn't it? What you would expect for it.
For a road, for a track cap or something.
Oh yeah.
I was wondering if they'd maybe put GT2 hubs on it to convert it to rear wheel drive.
No.
Nah, just keep the drive shaft in.
Which is fine.
Biggest concern about buying a track car is it had a hard time, but probably one of the biggest selling points. It's not been out in the winter, so all this orange, crusty stuff, thankfully, isn't present on the track race car. So yeah, it's something to consider when you're buying a car and it's been used on the track. The chances are it's probably been maintained 10 times better than a standard road car, and it's not seen salt. So Matt, we've got the turbine up on the ramp. Plan of action, what do you think?
Obviously making it drivable, make sure everything's tight and stuff like that on it. It's obviously been through a few hands in the body shop and stuff like that, so we need to make sure that no bits are going to fly off it when you do take it a drive.
Including the doors?
Including the doors,
okay.
Bonnet and all that kind of stuff. Make sure that back window's well glued in.
Yep, and watertight so that we can wash it.
Absolutely.
Get the 3 years worth of catty steer off it.
Yep, definitely.
Excellent.
So, should be all straightforward stuff.
Cannot wait, cannot wait.